Hello there, everyone. Hello. Welcome back to our class. Welcome to our online class for today. Hey there, everyone. Welcome back once again. How are you today? I hope that you are all doing good and well today. I hope that you are all doing well today, despite the pandemic of COVID-19. Are you happy? Are you sad? Mind you, I want you all to be happy today, because if you are happy, you will learn a lot of things. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Let's start the ball rolling. Are you ready? Yes, you will be ready. Now, so for today's subject, we are going to study not ESL, but math. Math in English. And it's with me again. My name is Teacher Riva, and you will be learning math English concepts with me. So prepare your notebooks and pens and be ready to start learning new and additional information with math subject. Alright. Let me tell you, for math, here are the following topics. Few of the topics that we're going to study. Few of them you have learned it before. So, if you have learned it before, you can just review and master it all over again. It's an advantage for you already. First, we have counting numbers. Counting numbers. Fractions and its operations. Fractions and its operations. We also have decimal and its operations. Few of the topics again, we have counting numbers, fractions and its operations, decimal and its operation. Are there some words familiar to you? Then if there are, that would really be an advantage learning for you. My question is, are you ready? Are you ready to learn some set of English vocabulary words today? Yes, you are. Okay. For this day, or to start off with our math subject, we're going to learn and review first the basics. Let's start with counting numbers. I know counting numbers 1 to 10 could be easy for you. So, let's move on counting numbers by tens. I'll show you a number, you tell me what number it is. And, additional, let's spell them together. Okay? Very good. First, let's begin knowing the vocabulary words for this topic. Now look at your screen. What can you see? Alright, very good. You can see counting numbers. Repeat after me. Counting numbers. It's O U N T I N G. Numbers. N U M B E R S. Counting numbers. Alright, counting numbers are numbers beginning with 1. Okay, next, let's have this sign. Most of you tend to forget what sign or symbol is this for. Everybody say addition. Addition. Repeat after me once again, please. Addition. Spell, please. A D D I T I O N. Addition. Very good. This symbol is used for the operation called addition. This can be sometimes called plus. Plus. Okay, say it by yourself this time. Well done. Great job. Next, how about this symbol? What symbol is this? Sometimes called and associated with minus. Minus. What is it? It's called subtraction. Subtraction. Repeat after me. Subtraction. Very good. Spell subtraction. S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N. Subtraction. Your turn. Very good. Well done. Let's move to the next one. What about this? What symbol is this? It's symbol for multiplication. Listen, say multiplication. One more time and then your turn. Multiplication. Alright, multiplication can sometimes be associated with the word times. Times. If you see the symbol, you can just say times. Yes. What is this for? Very good. It's multiplication. Next. How about this one? This symbol can sometimes be called divide. Divide. What operation is it? Okay, good job. Division. Division. Great job. Say division, please. Spell D-I-V-I-S-I-O-N. Division. Great job. By the way, we have 4 basic operations. Now, let's do and review numbers by tens, starting with this. Look and read. What number is this? Great job. 10. 10. T-E-N. 10. Okay, good job. I assume by now you have already mastered counting numbers in English. So this is just a sort of review. Alright. Everybody say 20. 20 or 20. Spelled as T W E N T Y 20. Again, we are counting by tens. Next, we have what number? Okay, 30. Listen carefully. How do you say it? 30. Okay, very well said. Let's spell 30. T H I R T Y 30. Okay, good job. More to go. After counting 30 by tens, we have, what's your guess? We have 40. Great job. Everybody again say 40. Okay, good job. Spell 40 please. F O R T Y 40. Okay, great job. We're halfway there. Now, what's after 40 when we count by tens? What do you think? Okay, we have here. What number is it? 50. Great job. 50. F I F T Y 50. Okay, you're doing great. What's after 50, everyone? When we count by tens, what's after the number 50? What do you think? Okay, what's your guess? It's number 60. Great job. 60. Listen carefully on how to say the word 60. Okay, great job. Spell rather S-I-X-T-Y 60. Okay, very good. You're doing great. You're almost there. Next. What is after 60, everyone? What number is it? Okay, good job. 70. 70. Spell 70. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y 70. Okay, great job. Next, if we have 70, after it, we have 80. Great job. 80. Spell 80 this time. E-I-G-H-T-Y Y? Okay, very good. Next, what about after 80? You have 90. Great job. 90. N-I-N-E-T-Y. And then after 90, you have, how do you say this number? You could say 100, or you could completely say it 100. We won't spell it one by one, okay? Because it's quite long. It would take much of our time. Just repeat after me. 100. Okay, very good. 100. Alright. If this one is 2, you could say how? 200 and so forth. Next. Supposing we are done with the hundreds, we're going to have this one. What number is this? How do you say this number, everybody? Okay. Listen carefully. You say it 1,000. 1,000. Right. Your turn again one more time. What number is this? Alright, very good. And how about this? A number with 4 zeros and a 1. How do you say the number? Okay, you say it 10,000. Listen carefully to teacher. 10,000. Very good. Say it alone this time. What number is this? Great job. So, those were the numbers beginning with 10 and counting by tens. I assume that you all know how to read numbers, so let's do another topic. Let's review the different operations. How do you add, subtract, minus, multiply, and divide numbers? Let's say we have this. 1,375 plus 365.12. In adding numbers with more or less 4 to 5 digits, take note, you have to add from the left side. You can add 0, 0, which is a placeholder, and then you begin. 0 plus 2, we have 2. 0 plus 1, you have 1. And then you add the decimal point, and then 5 plus 5 equals 10. So you bring down 0 and you carry 1. 1 plus 7, you have 8. 8 plus 6, you have 14. Carry 1 again. 1 plus 3, you have 4. Plus 3, you have 7. And then bring down the comma and bring down 1. So you have your answer 1,740.12. What are the steps? You may read at this side. First, you have to align the numbers. You have to make sure that your numbers are straight. 2. Put placeholders. Put placeholders. that means you need to put 0, 0. Remember, you may or you may not put placeholders. Okay? 3. Start to add from the right. From the right side. Do not begin on your left side. Okay? That was addition. How about subtraction? Same rule that follows when subtracting numbers. You need to align your numbers first and begin subtracting to the right side. So you have here 1 minus 9. 1 is small, but 9 is big. So you need to borrow 1 from 8. So 8 becomes 7 and 1 becomes 11. So 11 minus 9, you have 2. 7 minus 2, you have 5. 0 minus 7 cannot be. So borrow 1 from 1. 1 becomes 0. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 7, you have 3. Same rule. Align the numbers, put placeholders, start to subtract from the right. Clear? Okay. If you subtract a small number with a bigger number, you borrow 1 to the number on its left. Next, let's go multiplication. For instance, you have 5,150 multiplied or times 23. You begin multiplying from the right. So 0 times 3, you have 0. 3 times 15, you have 15, carry 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1, you get 4. 3 times 5, you get 15. Next, let's multiply 2. 2 times 0, you get 0. Make sure to write 0 on the second number beginning with the right of the first answer. 2 times 5, you have 10. Bring down 0, carry 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1, you get 3. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. What's next? You will add both numbers. 0, 5 plus 0, you have 5. 4 plus 0, you have 4. 5 plus 3, you have 8. 1 plus 0, you have 1. And bring down 1. So your answer would be 118,450. Same rules will apply. Lastly, division. When you divide division, you can use the long method. So you have 1,081 divided by 12. 1 divided by 12 cannot be. 10 divided by 12 cannot be. So you have 108 divided by 12. So you get 9 times 12. You have 108. And then you subtract. You have 0. Bring down 1. 1 and 12 cannot be. So you add decimal point 0. So you bring down 0. You cannot do it still, so you have to add 0 again. 100 divided by 12, you get 8. Minus, you get 4. Then you can put placeholder again. 40 divided by 12, you have 3. 36 and 4. You can stop there unless there is a required number of decimal places. Okay, use long division. This is long division. Divide the first number inside the bar by the outside number. Add decimal point correctly. multiply, subtract, and then divide again. Okay, let's make it quick. Rounding up numbers to the nearest 1,000, 10,000, and 1 million. Usually, or the basics of rounding up numbers is by using a number line. So can you see the picture? The orange one is an example of a number line. So let's try this one. This is a perfect figure of a number line. Let's try to round all numbers to the nearest 10,000. You have here 23,580. Let's begin writing 20,000 followed by 21,000, 22,000, 23,000, 24,000, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We need to round off this number. So, where is 23,580 in this line? Perhaps it would be here, right? Okay, so you can say 23,580 is between 20,000 and 30,000. So see, you started with 20,000 and 30,000, right? Yes. So, where is 23,000? What number is it nearer? 23,580 is nearer to 20,000. Therefore, the nearest 10,000 of 23,850 is 20,000. So it's over here. Okay? Next, how about rounding off numbers? 76,185. Where is 76,185? It's between 70,000 and 80,000. What number is it nearer? It's nearer to 80,000. So, the nearest 10,000 of 76,185 is 80,000. You can watch it again if you have not followed, alright? Next, let's round off numbers to the nearest 100,000. So you have here 451,800. So the number is between 400,000 and 500,000. So where do you think this number is located at? Maybe it's over here. Let's count the number lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And from 500,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what number is it nearer? It's nearer to 500,000. Therefore, the nearest 100,000 of 451,800 is 500,000. Next, rounding off numbers to the nearest 100,000 of 350,000. 350,000 is in the middle of 300,000 and 400,000. So, the rule when it's in the middle of the two numbers, you have to round up to the greatest, nearest 100,000. That means you have to round it up to the bigger number. So the bigger number is 400,000. Therefore, the nearest 100,000 of 350,000 is 400,000. Next, rounding off numbers to the nearest million. You have there 4,360,000. So let's begin with 4 million and up with 5. 4,360,000 is between 4 million and 5 million. And it's located over here. So it's near to 4 million. So the nearest 1 million of 4,360,000 is 4 million. Okay. And lastly, another example. It's still a rounding off number to the nearest million of 6,735,000. Let's begin with 6 million and end up with 7 million. Where is 6,735,000 located at? It's somewhere here. So it's nearer what? 7 million. Very good. It's near 7 million. Therefore, the nearest 1 million of 6,735,000 is 7 million. Okay, if that was too fast, you can re-listen and re-watch it. Watch it again after you've watched your other videos. Okay, so that's all for today. Those were about counting numbers and rounding up numbers to the nearest 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, and a million. Thank you all for watching and for listening. See you on our next video. Goodbye everyone and keep safe always.